What? Come on. Oh, hey guys. It's me again, Daniel, and today, me and his accounts. I know, guys, account issues. This happens all the time. Not all the time, but recently all the time. So I wanted to talk to him, and someone's hacking his account from school. His name is Dijon. Yeah, this is his name. Jayden sent it to me so I could spell his name. So guys, I really need your suggestions. So guys, I really need your suggestions. I'm sorry guys. I'm sorry for not saying it right, but whatever. I really need your comments. Yeah, I really need your comments to tell me what should I do to this problem, because I don't want him to get hacked anymore like me, because I get hacked almost all the time, but I'm not hacked no more. Like, I don't ever get hacked anymore. So guys, I wanted to tell you this, and guys, hope you enjoyed this video. No, not yet. I need to show you proof. I need to show you proof. Okay, guys. Sorry about this, guys. This came out of nowhere. Oh my god. I hate when this happens. I hate it. Oh my god. X that. Okay. Let's go to Roblox. So laggy. New login. No, it just does that for some weird reason, but it's gonna say home because, like, yeah. I'm sorry if it's laggy, but I was about to restart my computer, but yeah, here we are, guys. Here we are, my account right now, and let me go to, okay, guys, it seems like he didn't get hacked. Like, it seems like he's not hacked anymore. But like a few minutes ago, he was like playing jailbreak and changing his profile. But now, like, he's good. He's good now. He's okay. Like, he's free. So I guess Jayden can go back in this account. Now! Oh yeah, Chewy doesn't know the password. That's Jayden talking if you can't hear him. But guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and peace, guys. What? Peace, guys.